damn it, boy. Welcome back, everybody, to another daily upload. I'm getting a little bit of a late start today because I'm waiting on Graham to get a specific tool I need so I can get the carpet out, so I can pressure wash the carpet, so I can get the carpet clean, so then I can put the carpet back in the car. I may actually even wait to pressure wash the carpet tomorrow. Well, we'll see how today goes. I can't really get the car on jack stands because Graham has them as well. I need to be finished doing whatever I'm doing by 6 o'clock so that I can go home and start editing, so I can start uploading by 8 o'clock, and that way the video will be up and live sometime around 10:30 p.m. So, you know, daily, I respect anybody who daily uploads at this point. I think the trick to daily uploading is actually waiting a day so that it's always a day behind. That might actually be a viable solution. I think after Friday, I'll kind of take the weekend off and then try to kick back into gear on Monday and just see how it goes. We're sitting here in the parking lot waiting for Graham like a drug deal. Here's the carpet. I think Slayer is appropriate for this. All right, so I've officially got the carpet out, obviously. I don't know if I'm gonna pressure wash it today. I will definitely tomorrow if I don't today. And the reason being is because yesterday was really warm. It was like 60 degrees outside. And today it's like 40. The plan is when you pressure wash it, you wanna sit it out in the sun and, you know, let it dry. But because today's so cold, it's not exactly ideal. So definitely tomorrow it's gonna be a lot warmer and sunny, so if I get an early start, pressure wash it, and sit it out in the sun, it should dry. But you can see how dirty and filthy this thing is. But I think it'll actually clean up pretty good, honestly. I'm gonna start tearing more of the interior stuff out, start to get the automatic box out. As soon as you start to film, here comes the wind. I pushed the car out of the shop just to get it some fresh air, and also there's a lot more light out here. I might even push it forward into the sunlight over here. But it is pretty windy, so trying to stay warm and full of light is not really the solution right now. Keep moving on this thing. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the ECU and then eventually get this shifter out of here. But I may wait just on, the hell was that? You know, push this thing back in the shop and probably go ahead and clean these back pieces up and probably the door panels as well, just to go ahead and get a nice good clean on those guys. Okay, with something like this, you have a little bit of paint on the vinyl. Okay, now I'm using the actual hook. And if I'm not poking it too hard, I'm just kind of, there we go. There we go. Once you get the cleaner or oil behind it, it starts to really peel. You don't want to push too hard, but you just want to be firm. You don't want to dig into the vinyl, obviously. You just want to get some scrapage going on. It's much better. There's a couple spots left, but I think I can get those out. So I took the wipers off and the wiper valance off, and obviously just vacuumed all that crap and crud out. Now, this is actually the fresh door cap. It seems to still be sealed pretty good. A lot of times water can leak in through here, or even the drainage system, it can start to leak down in the floorboard. You can see this thing's absolutely filthy. I've been using Meguiar's interior detailer cleaner to do this. I don't really have any preference for it. It's just something I have, someone gave me. But this thing is filthy. Let's see if we can save it. You know, I get a lot of comments from people that say a lot of different things, a lot of negative things, a lot of positive things. And I just want to say thank you to all you guys that support me out there. Anybody that's bought a shirt, made a positive comment, thank you so much. I want to see a project like this, you know, clearly needs some work. You know, it's going to be a long way. There's a lot of people out there that make negative comments. And, you know, sometimes you read them and they're true, you know, and they get to you. And they make you realize, you know, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? This is stupid. I'm like, fuck that shit, this is an EF, that's my EJ1 out there, and that shit's badass. Peace out. If you don't want to be here, click off the video, go somewhere else. But anyway, we're gonna get back to it. You can always get in touch with me through Instagram if you want to. I have one person that's got in contact with me that wanted to give me an EXSI transmission, a cable one, and I was like, sure. So that may not get here till this weekend. I only have DX transmissions, but there's plenty of work to do in the meantime. And I'm gonna show you each step of the way. The pedal set, the ECU, the clutch flywheel pressure plate, shift linkage, all that stuff is going to be, you know, detailed in these videos. I'm gonna try to, you know, film as much as I can and point out as much as I can exactly what I'm doing if I can. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and get the work done, you know, so whatever. So Charlie's car finally got the bay done, got his bay painted. Looks black, but it's actually got a lot of flake in it. It's called Black Diamond. So it's gonna be redoing the subframe. And of course, you guys probably seen before, it's got a K20Z1 to go in there. Look, what you need to do right now is you need to go hit the link and
keep living your dream.
Keep living your dreams. Get the HSG hoodie. Now, a lot of people have said, hey, Mark, why don't you put a S2000 cluster in your car? But Charlie has one, and we have an install video on that if you want to check it out. Oh boy, would you break? Uh-oh.
Y'all see a blown out strut?
Boy, this is a blown out strut. Good Lord.
You want something to drink? Or, I mean, like, you've been working hard.
I did not see how
Listen.
this going.
Hey, put that up to your mouth again. Looks just like your mama.
It should, because I'm your daddy.
So here we are at the donor car. And underneath here is what we need. Manual pedal set. So I've got all the bolts out of this thing. Now I'm just gonna disconnect the throttle cable and clutch cable, and it should come out. One step closer, cuz. So I got all pieces I need: pedal set, clutch cable, shift linkage, mount bracket. Anyway guys, this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. I know it didn't do a whole lot of crazy stuff, but tomorrow we're definitely gonna pressure wash the carpet. We're gonna put the pedal set in, as well as do some stuff to the EJ1 that I've been waiting to do. And Thursday we're gonna be pulling the automatic transmission and putting the 5-speed one in there. Everything looks like it's good for that. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you guys so much again for all the support. Thank you for anybody that's got a t-shirt or a hoodie. And if you're interested in one, there's a link in the description where you can pick one up. And thank you guys so much again. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out and keep living your dreams.